Hi there, welcome to Allegro, the #1 platform for inbox placement, which means we'll show you exactly how often your outbound team reaches the primary inbox rather than the spam folder and fix every issue with deliverability that the outbound motion causes. You'll see here we work with some of the most technically enabled, fast-growing companies in the world. How we do this comes down to the Allegro network. And what I mean by that is to get the data on where your email traffic is actually landing, we'll send emails to other network members, like a manager at work Vivo. And because they're inside the Allegro network too, we can see reliably across thousands of individual postmasters where your email traffic is actually landing on a daily basis. Now, with that same network, Allegro can help to improve your sender reputation with interactions that go well beyond standard warm-up. What that means is automatically providing responses that build up in threads, moving emails out of spam and into the primary inbox, and even marking them as important all inside the same Allegro network. Now, once you have a high sender reputation, if you're doing cold email, we all know it can be hard to maintain. So what we do at Allegrow is we provide a deliverability data scientist called the safety net that integrates directly into your sales engagement platform. And what we do here is we run risk analysis on every scheduled email and stop your SDRs from accidentally reaching out to contacts that hurt their sender reputation every single day. This means we'll prevent emails being sent automatically to contacts that would bounce, be manual spam reporters of your emails, or historically have provided very low engagement to outreach communications. Now, none of this would be possible without the partnerships and integrations we've built with the world's leading sales engagement platforms. Now, one of the things that separates Allegrow from other vendors in this space is how we can get our risk analysis data from live sales engagement instances and have a specific solution just for outbound deliverability. Now let's jump inside the user interface of Allegrow to show you why we're a must-have for outbound sales motions and tick every single deliverability box. Inside Allegrow, you'll see your sender reputation within 3 days of being onboarded, which means you have a single source for truth on how often your emails are landing in the primary inbox versus the spam folder. Inside Allegrow, you'll see you're able to track this across every single domain and user that you go to market with, as well as receiving positive interactions like the replies and emails that are automated inside Allegrow to improve your sender reputation. Inside our leaderboard, you can truly make inbox placement a KPI by ranking every single SDR based on their spam rate each day, so you can see the highest performers for deliverability all the way down to the lowest performers. And this means that when you track deliverability across each rep on a daily basis, a few rogue users can't drag down the rest of the organization's scores because you're always providing deliverability support to the users that need it the most when they need it before it destroys pipeline. Inside the safety net, you'll see a record of every single email that we prevent leaving the sales engagement platform because it would have hurt your deliverability and the reason why we prevented it. This means your team are automatically notified and they can take the best next step to reach their business objective without compromising on deliverability. For example, if the contact's known to be a common reporter of emails as spam, this means you might source a different contact at the same account and add them to the sales engagement platform instead of the initial contact you were going to prospect. Now, if you're very data-driven, you can start running content tests inside Allegrow. And what this shows you is which version of your go-to-market content is getting placed inside spam folders more often than the other version. This means you could figure out the filtering algorithms for yourself, so you know the best subject lines, keywords to use and keywords to avoid, and the ideal structure for your specific value proposition to keep hitting the primary inbox for your SDR team. At Allegrow, our fundamental belief is the emails that you don't send are just as important as the ones you do. And we're here to elevate outbound prospecting so you can reach the right buyer with the right message at the right time inside the primary inbox. So if that aligns with you, and you're ready to get started, you'll be onboarded with a dedicated customer success manager who acts as your peer and makes sure you and your team are firing on every best practice when it comes to deliverability. Thanks.